Alright you guys, so I want to talk to you guys about the contact lens that I've been wearing all over Snapchat. A lot of you have asked me and I have responded via Snapchat, and I have responded via Instagram as well. But these are Pinky Paradise contact lenses, and this is their Gemini series, and this is in the color gray. Now let me just say this, bubble. These contacts are everything. When you hear me over here, these contacts, look at that glow. Yeah, so these contacts I've been wearing. First of all, I just want to get some stuff out of the way. Alright, so are they comfortable? Yes, they are extremely comfortable. So I've worn contact lenses before. I've reviewed the Pinky Paradise lenses before, believe it or not. It's not my first time at the rodeo. I reviewed a couple of the lenses well over the years, right? So I made a huge mistake, and I did not walk with my what you call it now, eye drops, you know, like to keep my eyes moisturized. And so during the day they got uncomfortable for me because I had nothing to keep them moisturized, because I didn't carry my eye drops, which is so stupid. I keep on forgetting to buy them. I'm like, why would I not buy them? I'm wearing contact lenses. But yeah, so apart from that, which is just a technical error for me on my part anyways, they're extremely comfortable. I will not go as far as say they look natural, but what you're looking at right now, it's not even the full lens. Like, the lens is wide. It's almost like a cartoon. Milo inside. So it's almost like a cartoon lens is like big, but it's like a frosty like color on the outside. I mean, it's just how it's constructed. It is gorgeous, and I love how it makes my eyes look. I mean, I know it sounds weird, but I love gray contact lenses. I just feel like they work better with me. Gray lens, just my personal opinion, and like blue, gray, you know, anything with gray in it, I'm all for it. I'm all here for it. And these are doing me so well. The only downside is, or maybe it's just a contact lens rule, which I was not made aware of, I can only wear these for 30 days. Whenever you're purchasing these, you can only wear them for 30 days. Now, I do have a solution that sanitizes my contact lenses, but I don't know if that's going to work, because the thing says 30 days, and I don't want to be wearing something beyond 30 days, and I'm over here having eye infections, and I'm got pink eye, and you know, and my eyes falling out, you know. So yeah, but it says 30 days. So I have about, I think, 2 more weeks left with this, because I've had it for the minute I got, I was like, yes, and I put them in. What else? They're comfortable. They're really striking because of the color that I chose, gray. Yeah, I don't know. I the only confirm would be that I can't use it after 30 days, which I think is like a rule with contact lens. It's like I think it's a rule in contact lensiness. But I think it's a rule, so you know, I won't be too hard on them. But I guess for sanitary reasons as well. But yeah, so these are Pinky Paradise from the Gemini series, and the color is gray. Hanty bubble, yes. Oh, and this wig is from LyricRochester. I did a review on it, or maybe the review not live, but a review is coming up on this hair. If it is live, it will be linked in the description bar below for you guys. But yeah, so that's basically it on this video. I will not last long. I mean, it's just contact lens. You can't really go wrong with contact lens. And I have been having pleasant experiences with Pinky Paradise. As I said, it's not my first time at the rodeo, so I've been having pleasant experiences with them. They're on Instagram as well. I've been tagging them in my Instagram stories. I've been tagging them on my Instagram posts as well. So I will leave all the information and the link to a direct link to these contact lenses that I have been wearing, the Gemini series in gray. And that's basically it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.